Hi, my name is George, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about NanoPolix Nano car cloth, how it works, the benefits, and why so many car owners are talking about it right now. If you've ever looked at your car and felt frustrated by scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, or paint imperfections that make it look older than it really is, stay with me for a moment. Before we go any further, let me make one small honest agreement with you. If at the end of this video you don't feel NanoPolix Nano car cloth is right for you, just say no. No pressure at all. But if you do like what you see and it makes sense for your car care routine and your budget, let's agree you'll take action today instead of putting it off. Fair deal? So, what is NanoPolix Nano car cloth and why are so many people adding it to their car detailing routine? NanoPolix Nano car cloth is an advanced car care cloth designed to help reduce the appearance of light scratches, remove oxidation, restore shine, and protect your vehicle's paint with minimal effort. Its advanced design features nano metal polishing compound, nano polishing technology, a non-abrasive formula, a protective coating, and a reusable repair surface. Instead of relying on expensive body shop repairs or messy polishing kits, NanoPolix works directly on the surface to improve your vehicle's finish while helping preserve its original appearance. Every cloth is produced under strict quality standards and carefully tested for durability and safety, so you know exactly what you're using on your vehicle. Thousands of drivers have already made NanoPolix part of their car maintenance routine, and many report a cleaner finish, restored shine, and noticeable improvement in the appearance of their paint. Of course, every vehicle is different. Some people notice visible improvements after the very first application, but the best overall results usually depend on the condition of the paint and following the recommended instructions carefully. What surprised me the most wasn't just how easy it was how much better my car looked afterward. The light scratches became much less noticeable, the paint looked brighter, and my car regained a cleaner, well-maintained appearance without spending hundreds at a repair shop. There was no complicated process, just a simple solution that fit easily into regular car care. That's why NanoPolix comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You're not asked to believe promises, you simply see the results for yourself. I made this video for one simple reason, to share something that genuinely worked for me and helped restore my car's appearance quickly and easily. And because when a product truly becomes popular, low-quality imitations tend to appear, which is why it's important to be careful where you buy it. If you decide to try NanoPolix Nano car cloth, follow the instructions carefully and use it only as recommended to achieve the best possible results. Every cloth is manufactured under strict quality controls and inspected multiple times to ensure consistent performance. Every vehicle is unique, but solutions that improve your car's appearance without expensive repairs are the ones many drivers continue to trust. That's why so many people choose to keep NanoPolix Nano car cloth as part of their regular car care routine. If this resonates with you, the official link is right below this video in the description and the first pinned comment. Take this step for your vehicle and enjoy a cleaner, shinier, better looking finish with less time, less effort, and less money.